In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use ChatGPT API key. So first thing, you'll go into your browser and search up platform open AI, right? And then you'll click on the website OpenAI API overview, first link basically, and then you'll need to log in or sign up. Well, I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and log in. But if you don't, just go ahead and sign up, create an account, come back to this page and log in. So since I have an account, I'll log in. I'll continue with Google. You can write the email address as well. I'll just click on an account. After I've done that, I'll be redirected to the front page or the home page for the platform.openai.com, and then I'll search API keys. Right? I'll just click on that option, and now I'll be redirected to this API keys page here, where I can do is click new secret key. I can create a new secret key. I'll just give it a name. So first key and just default project. You can choose the options as you want. If you have a service account, I'll just do a new, and I'll create the secret key, and now I can copy it. Make sure you copy it, it might be up copied, and you can write this somewhere, because once you press done, you won't be able to see it anymore. Even if you press edit, you won't be able to see the key anymore, as you can see, right? What you can do is delete the key and create a new key also. So it's all up to you. Anyways, to be able to use API keys, you'll need to make sure that your billing is more than zero. Okay, so what you can do is you can add your payment details and add some money or add some credits into your um, ChatGPT account, and then you can use it. You can also set usage limits so that you're not mistakenly overusing the API key, to make sure that no mistakes are made or no extra charges are taken out of your account, right? So I hope this video helped you guys out, and that'll be it for it today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.